Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save a web page as a PDF on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and navigate to the website you want to save. Once the page is fully loaded and you can see all the content you need, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and select the Print option. This will open up Brave's built-in print interface, which is what we'll use to create our PDF file. Once the print dialog opens, direct your attention to the destination section. This is where you control where your document will be sent. Right beside destination, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the list of options that appears, select Save as PDF. This tells Brave that instead of sending the page to a physical printer, you want to save it as a digital PDF file. Next, you have the option to customize which pages get included in your PDF. Look for the Pages section and click the drop-down menu beside it. Here you can choose to save all pages or select a specific range if you only need certain parts of the web page. This is particularly useful when dealing with longer articles or multi-page websites. Additionally, you can adjust your document's appearance by modifying the layout settings. Find the Layout section and click the drop-down menu beside it. From here, select your preferred layout option. This allows you to control how the content is arranged on the page, whether portrait or landscape orientation works better for your needs. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, go ahead and click the Save button. This will open your system's file browser window, allowing you to choose where you want to store your PDF. In the file browser, use the folder list on the left side of the window to navigate to your desired location. Click on the folder where you want to store the PDF file. This could be your Documents folder, Desktop, or any custom folder you've created for organizing files. Before finalizing, look at the file name box at the bottom or top of the window depending on your operating system. You'll see a default name there. Click in this box and change the name to something more descriptive that you'll easily recognize later. Finally, click the Save button one more time to complete the process. Your web page is now saved as a PDF file in your chosen location, ready to be accessed anytime you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.